out in the swaths with NJ4Z, and he's got something pretty cool, guys. So explain this for people like no one knows what this is, first of all, because we need a complete beginner sesh on this, so go for it.
So what we're dealing with is a 2-element vertical phased array. So you take 2 vertical elements, quarter wave radiators, and you space them a quarter wave, so it doesn't matter what the band is. And you take it, and what we're going to do is we're going to put in delay lines that allow you to switch from end fire one way or the other. It delays the signal, so you have one lagging element, one leading element.
Okay.
The lagging element is where your RF is going. So what happens is when you transmit, the leading element transmits, and then the lagging element transmits at a delay time. They constructively interfere and pushes your RF in one way. On the backside, it deconstructs, and you get a null on the backside. So that's how the array works. The nice thing is this is full 1500 watt legal limit, so you can pump power into this thing. It gives you 3 dB, 3.5 dB gain on the end fire. So you have positive gain in one direction or the other, and then you have a broadside pattern that's egg-shaped, and it gives you 1.5 dB of gain off the egg shape, off the broadside. And then you get front to back, so it isolates about 15 to 20 dB. So a use case for it is I'm in South Carolina. I point one element 50 degrees going to Europe. The other element's 230 degrees behind me,
nice.
And I'm going to VK land and ZL. So when I'm working Europe, I'm pointing that way.
Yeah.
All the guys in Texas that are first hopper coming in behind me, they all disappear because I've got the null behind me and I can hear the DX stations. When that dries up for me and I want to work VK and ZL, I flip it the other way 180 degrees, and I'm hearing all the ZLs and VKs, and all the guys in Europe and New York up the East Coast are disappearing from me because I've got the null on the backside. We've got them available. They're brand new product. Website went up last week in a build form and in a kit form. So if you're adventurous and want to build your own kit, it's a very simple kit. It's all poke through hole design for all the elements on the boards. You have to do a little bit of light soldering on some of the switches, but it comes with everything you need. Aluminum extruded case. This is the back plane and grounding plane for all of the SO239, so everything's on a common ground.
So you've got kits here. You also have this direction control box.
Right, so this is your directional control box. You have a power button, the LEDs light up in what direction you're going. And then the white boxes are for you to note what direction your antennas are facing.
Yeah.
And then on the back you have your control output and your 12 volt input. So if you do a 20 meter kit phased for the center of the 20 meter band and a 50 foot control line built, it's $600. It's $485 in this form with the kit, so you build the kit yourself. So a 20 meter 2-element vertical, you have 17 foot spacing, 17.5 between the two of them. And then you have to have your radials around the outside. So if you use like 7 meter radials, you got another 6 foot on either side of it. 40 meter, you go to 33 feet. 80 meter, obviously, you're at 66 feet.
How many radials are you putting down?
2 wavelengths is serviceable. If you're doing portable, you can put 1 wavelength down and you're fine. 20, I would put down for portable use. I'd put down 5 4 meter radials. And then if I was doing more of a permanent, I'd probably put down like 20 4 meter radials, just to give me 4 wavelengths. If I'm going to go through the process of putting this up permanently, I'm going to eke as much as I can out of it, right?
Gotcha.
So I'm going to put down 4 wavelengths. But you can put down 2, it's fine. You gain about 0.5 dB the more element radials you put down. But you get to the point where the effort isn't worth the squeeze, right?
And what was the website again?
It's www.performancezarrays.com. Inventory will be online, available next week.
Okay.
So I've got kits with me here. I didn't know how many I was going to sell, so I want to put inventory online just yet.
Perfect. Okay. Well, John, thanks. I mean, this is cool. I love the idea. And you said very effective, right?
Very effective.
That's what you use all the time.
Yep, I'm using it and playing with it all the time.
Excellent.
This is 2-year project in development.
Cool.
Yeah, we've
Thanks
got
for
some
sharing.
more designs coming. So.
Yeah, thanks for sharing that.
Thank you.